Delft is working on a more sustainable campus. The transition from a gas-fired heat network to a hybrid network is one of the measures and will help us to achieve the goals. During this transition, the buildings as well as the combined heat and power station will be readied for the change from heating at the high temperature of 130 degrees to a medium temperature of 80 degrees. This will enable sustainable energy sources to be connected to the heat network. Alongside the physical modifications, a smart control system is being developed in cooperation with market parties. The new smart thermal grid will allow us to optimally attune heat supply and balance demand. We expect to reduce our gas consumption from 10 to 15% in this way. Supplying the heating network with energy from sustainable sources can cover the sustainable generation of 25% of our energy demand. We're going to do something about that. The combined heat and power station will be modified so that a different water temperature can be sent down each pipeline to the buildings connected. The worst building per pipeline then determines the temperature for just that pipeline, not for the heat network as a whole. This reduces the average supply and return temperatures of the network. This enables a larger share of the energy-efficient cogeneration units for heating and facilitates the introduction of sustainable sources, such as geothermal energy that operate at lower temperatures. Adding biomass-fueled power generation could be an additional way of greatly reducing the use of natural gas. The supply temperature can further be reduced if critical buildings per pipeline are improved. Major repairs and renovations will have an immediate positive effect on heating costs and campus sustainability. Per building, the most effective measures will be selected that have an immediate positive effect on the supply temperature. Alongside modifying the combined heat and power station and the buildings, a globally unique thermal smart grid will be created. A supervisory control system will be linked to the building management systems and to the power station software. 5-day weather forecasts, updated every hour, will be used in conjunction with building models to predict the expected heat demand. Heat supply to the buildings can be minimized this way without loss of comfort. The transition to medium temperature, the unique thermal smart grid and the addition of sustainable heating sources is an important process at TU Delft aimed at creating a more sustainable campus. Without compromising the comfort of our building's occupants, the demand for natural gas and the CO2 emission will be greatly reduced.